how to download all files at once on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download all files at once on Google Drive, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your Google Drive, of course, and log into your account, and then go to your files. For example, I want to download those 3 files at once, and you can also do it with more. All what you have to do is click and do this, select them all and click on your right mouse, then click download, and all your files will be downloaded at once. Even if you have 100 files or more, you can download them with this trick. All what you have to do, as I said, is select them like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.